Imagine the year is 1885. New Yorkers gather at the harbor, eyes wide as a French ship approaches, carrying an extraordinary cargo, 350 massive pieces of copper and iron. This is no ordinary delivery. It's the disassembled Statue of Liberty, a gift from France to the United States. But how did this colossal statue, destined to become a symbol of freedom, come to be? In this video, we'll journey from the workshops of Paris to the shores of New York, uncovering the secrets of the Statue of Liberty's construction and what lies hidden inside her iconic form. Let's begin with her origins in France, where artistry and engineering combine to create a marvel. Story of the Statue of Liberty starts in France, with sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi. Inspired by the idea of liberty, Bartholdi envisioned a towering figure welcoming newcomers to America. But turning this vision into reality required more than artistic talent. It needed engineering genius. Enter Gustave Eiffel, the mastermind behind the Eiffel Tower. Eiffel designed an iron skeleton strong enough to support the statue's copper skin, yet flexible enough to withstand fierce winds. In Paris, craftsmen hammered over 300 copper sheets by hand, shaping Lady Liberty's flowing robes and serene face. Piece by piece, the statue took form, standing tall in France before her transatlantic journey. Once completed, the Statue of Liberty was carefully taken apart into 350 pieces and packed into more than 200 crates. Each piece was labeled and mapped, turning the statue into a giant three-dimensional puzzle. The crates crossed the Atlantic Ocean, arriving in New York Harbor in June 1885. There, workers faced the daunting task of reassembling the statue on Bedloe's Island, now known as Liberty Island. The iron skeleton was erected first, and then the copper plates were attached, one by one, over the frame. The process took months, with teams working high above the ground, braving wind and weather to bring Lady Liberty to life on American soil. It's inside the Statue of Liberty. Beneath her copper skin lies a remarkable feat of engineering. Eiffel's iron skeleton forms the statue's backbone, allowing the copper sheets to move slightly with the wind, preventing cracks. Visitors who climb inside ascend a spiral staircase, winding through the iron framework up to the crown. Along the way, they see the intricate lattice of supports and rivets that hold the statue together. Copper exterior, only about the thickness of 2 pennies, has weathered over a century of storms, turning its famous green. This hidden world inside Lady Liberty is a testament to the ingenuity of her creators and the enduring power of their vision. Today, the Statue of Liberty stands as a beacon of hope and freedom, her secrets hidden in plain sight. Few realize the complexity of her construction or the international teamwork that made her possible. From Bartholdi's artistic vision to Eiffel's structural brilliance and the hands of countless workers, Lady Liberty is more than a monument. She's a symbol of collaboration and resilience. As you gaze at her from the harbor or climb her steps, remember the journey she took, built in France, shipped in pieces, and assembled with care. The next time you see her, you'll know the secrets inside and the story of how she came to stand watch over New York.